Your team is falling apart, and it's because you're not spending enough time with them. But that's okay. Let's learn how to create a bond with your team that never breaks. Hey there, my name is Isai Rodriguez, and I'm your friend. And this is where we build your leadership skills in your home, business, profits, one actionable tip at a time. So hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's get started. All right, I'm pretty excited to dive into something that can truly change the game for your business and your life, right? We're talking about creating bonds with your team that never break. Yeah, that's right. Right? We're talking about connections that last a lifetime. So why don't you grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get started, right? So question, because I like starting with questions. Have you ever noticed how the best memories stick with you forever? Have you ever thought of that? Think about it. Soldiers, for example, who fought side by side in the desert in Iraq, whatever, teammates who won a championship, families who survived a wild camping trip. They all share a special connection. You see, these moments are like glue, essentially. They're holding them together even when times get tough. But here's the thing, is that while some memories are just they just happen, the best memories we make on purpose. You have to purposely and mindfully make these connections, these moments, right? Lewis Carroll, actually, the guy who wrote Alice in Wonderland, said this. He says that it's a sort of memory that only works backward. What that meant is that the richest memories are those that we plan and intentionally create. So let's talk about you. You might be running at a home business. You might be leading a network marketing team. You might be building your dream as a direct seller, right? How do you create those strong, unbreakable bonds with your team? Well, it all starts with carving out time to make memories together, right? You have to be intentional. Think about it. Parents often debate between quality time versus quantity time or quantity of time, right? But let me tell you this. As a father, I can honestly say that it takes a lot of quantity time, right, to find those golden nuggets, those golden quality moments. Does that make sense? So if you don't make time, you can't create memory. Does that make sense? Most of our best memories are with people that we spend the most time with, right? It's true. For me, and I'm sure it's true for you too. So if you want to make memories with your team, you've got to spend more time with them. You can't make memories from behind your office door, So here's a simple tip for you. Make time today to create a memory with someone important in your life. It could be a team member. It could be a family member or even a friend, But plan a fun activity. Have a meaningful conversation, or just hang out together. The key is to be present and to make the moment count, right? And so why does that matter for your business? All right? Why does this connection matter? Well, because this matters because, strong bonds essentially lead to strong teams, right? When your team members feel connected to you and to each other, to the other people on the team, then, they're more motivated, more loyal, more likely to stick around with you and stick on your team, right? They'll go the extra mile because they feel like they're part of something that's special, that's important, right? They want to be around. They want to be part of something bigger than themselves, right? So to wrap it up, carve out time to create a memory today with someone important in your life. Again, could be a team member, could be family member, could be your best buddy, whoever. It's a simple, powerful way to build a bond that never breaks. And remember, the best memories are the ones that you make on purpose. Plan it out, schedule it, block your calendar, whatever it is, but be intentional with those bonding moments, right? So there you have it, my friends. That's my tip for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to hear about the amazing memories that you're going to create with your team, okay? So I want you to keep making those memories count, right? Because again, when you're intentional and you create these bonds with your team, like these bonds are going to be unbreakable, and you're going to have that team around with you for a long time. And that's the goal, right? You want to make it last as long as it can. So if you found this episode helpful, if you found it inspiring, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. If you have any questions, any topics you'd like to talk about, anything you'd like to discuss, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to follow the link in the description for access to my free masterclass training, where I'll be showing you how you can get started with your own home business today. So until the next time, I want you to stay legendary, my friends, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Take care now. Bye.